Hundreds of students, teachers and members of the public from various walks of life on Monday staged a peaceful demonstration at the Don Bosco Square in Shillong in solidarity with the Cockroach Janata Party's ongoing protest at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi against the central government. Addressing the media, participants voiced concerns over the centre's alleged handling of peaceful protesters and demanded the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan over issues concerning the education sector. The protesters said the Shillong rally was organized to extend support to the nationwide agitation at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi, where thousands, including students and social activists Sonam Wangchuk, have converged to protest the alleged NEET or NEET exam paper leak and other pressing public issues.
Actually, today we came here just to show our support to the CJP team and especially to the Sonam Wangchuk sir. No? As we heard for so many days, he was in hunger strike for the justice of the students. As we came to know that so many children, so many students, they killed themselves because of the leakage of the papers, no, the exam paper. It is a very sad to hear that our society is still quiet, our ministers are still quiet. Especially my message to the Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, please do the resignation. That is only. Kata kan baya kata abhamo yangi bahadu manta bale ki sarkar ki asngap mo, especially Narendra Modi. Kata phau kata ki hajaru ti khanna laya don protest kata sni hapo Delhi Jantar Mantar bale hadu manta ki asngap kadai tharai ki makiru ki ale bakla namar kata tharai amjuko ahire baniyara bi students.
Yeah, we are all here in solidarity with students who have raised some important concerns regarding the lapses and gaps in the education system in India. And there has been protests, as you know, and hunger strike in Delhi. And we're in solidarity with the hunger strikers and with students across India whose futures depend on the education system. And education is such an issue that is important for many reasons. It reflects the status of democracy in the country. It reflects the status of class structures and minority rights. And it's something also that concerns every section of society across, divisions. So it's a very, very central issue. And we are, as you can see, with the amazing turnout on such short notice, it's a cause that really affects and is important for everyone here.
So if you can tell us, the people present here, is this some kind of an organization or?
No, there is no organization. This is a people's issue. This is everyone who is concerned about the problems that we are facing who is turned out here. In fact, I don't know majority of the people who are here and vice versa, I think, so yeah.